Oceanfront condo on Bogue Shore Club featuring 3 bedrooms and 3 full baths. Enjoy gorgeous ocean views from the spacious balcony, main living area or principal suite. Updates include appliances, terracotta tile, updated bar area, built-in dining nook, sliding doors and HVAC. Located just steps to the pool or beach access with first-floor storage for your convenience. Enjoy oceanfront living at its finest from this premier community centrally located in Pine Knoll Shores. Property is offered furnished with exception of owner's list. Properties in this community are rarely available. Call today.